just open a door?
We gotta get going, yeah.
Okay. Oh my fuck, is it too late to make a change to MP5? Nope. Bink. Bink. I'm not gonna be long, don't worry. Boom. Boom. Fully kitted MP5. Oh fuck, I tripped out that it was a scorpion for a sec. I got a suppressor for SMG if you want it.
Just hold on a minute, I guess. Yay. It's all probably gonna be lukewarm. The one on the table? No, that's all mine.
Yo, if you find it ×3, let me know. These doors are open, was that you?
No, probably not. Yep, I think it comes with the samosas.
Fuck, I don't like this.
I did some reading and ate.
Yo, tell me some shit you might need once you get out of the blue. I got some shit I need to drop.
Pretty much all A or R attachments.
Okay, let me do a quick heal. Are you somewhere safe?
No, we're just coming
Yo,
out.
dude's right behind us. 155.
It's danger. Get up here, get up here.
I'm coming. Yo, right behind you. 155. 160. Literally right behind you. There's two dudes right. They're cresting right now.
Oh shit.
See his ass? Get in here. There's a hat here. Yo, here's a bunch of attachments. You got a ×3 in your bag by any chance?
No.
I got a fully fucking kitted MP5 and AK, both suppressed.
Cool, let's stay frosty here.
Yeah, no throwables.
What's up, Rusty? Hey, buddy.
Oh, I love this place.
Here, I know. I haven't seen you all day, but you're fucking around.
Oh, this is the wall where I won the game. Yeah, I like this. I only got a ×2 on me. Yeah, we know there's two guys over there somewhere. Come on, give us a nice skinny. I'm not mad about that. I think we probably should consider going right up this hill. What do you think?
No, I say we push this way here.
Which way?
Is this the way you're talking about?
Yeah, exactly. Go up to the top of that other hill. There's a nice wall there too. Yeah, this is perfect. Wanna get in here for a minute?
No. up on this ridge.
You mean my ridge? My fucking ridge? You gonna go far right? Yeah. I don't see anybody over here. We do gotta pick some high ground and cut in though, like up here. I got contact 250.
Oh yeah, on those rocks over there.
Mhm. Yeah, keep going. I like this next peak. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, two right. He's
Where
right
at?
on top
Oh,
of the
yeah.
hill.
Should I spread out?
Yeah, definitely. Top of the hill, dude. Keep him busy. You hose him?
Nope, someone else did. Be careful. There's a crate directly across the way. Yes, the Guardian Angels had our back.
Yeah, but we gotta get down this hill here.
Oh, that wall's juicy. Are they gonna give us that wall? No. Is that a dead box directly on it's a push? Yo, we got a nice valley right here, man. Look where I am. I wouldn't go down that hill if I were you. Up to you though, man. Whatever you feel like, but this is perfect.
Yeah, it's not bad, I guess. Just stay with. Like,
I'd rather stay together though, so I'm coming with you.
well, it's just we can spread out a little bit.
Alright, yeah, I'm down. Everybody's killing each other off. Man, I got some fucking perfect spot. Man, I'm pretty sure we're fully clear. Over here. To the left.
You want to go back left?
No, I'm just saying we're clear. Like nobody's coming. Oh my god.
Here, come on me.
Yep. Come on me. Recording it.
Clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it.
Yo, directly ahead of us, there's dudes.
Yeah, I see him on the hill there.
200 yards. Yeah, it's a mighty fine place too. Oh, this is fucking beauty.
Yeah, there's three guys about to just mix it up right now.
I got a suppressor. I kind of want to join. I probably shouldn't though. Didn't end up getting him. Now we got a guy up there and potentially snipe our fucking faces off.
Yeah, but we're good on the circle right here. You just gotta try and keep an eye on that left side.
Here it comes. Keep an eye on the left? Okay.
Yeah.
I hear some shit coming from the left for sure.
What's that, babe? That guy die up there? Yep.
Fuck, bro, there's our chance.
7 left. I got eyes on 1 at least up here.
Our circle's glorious. Oh. Yo, I think we should make a little bit of a move right now.
Hang on.
I'm not gonna do it yet. Or should we pinch back to the skinny? We're still up the mountain. Where we just came from.
Yeah, sure.
Quick look. I don't have any smokes, bro. Yes, they're fighting over there. Perfect. It's moving. I hear footsteps.
Yeah, right there in front of us. 115.
But they're moving too, eh?
I think over this rock, maybe.
Oh yeah, they're about to run into the other guys. We gotta get over here, man. Trust me. They're about to get in a huge fight. See them?
See, yeah.
I'm not quite safe. Oh, this igloo will get us safe. Get down here. I'm safe. Oh, there's a guy right to the right. Watch out. Got him.
Nice.
There's 2 dudes right ahead of us.
Yeah.
One's real close.
He just ran inside the igloo. You got
Yeah,
the
and
right
there's
side,
two-
don't...
Yeah, but there's 2 flanking. Watch out. Oh, they're straight ahead of us. I see the other 2. I see everybody. I want to run down to that rock so bad. Because we got no other cover in the circle.
Here. You wanna... Oh, shit.
Wait, here we go. Almost knocked one. Okay, he's gonna be fucked.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's all good. It's all good.
Hang on. Smoke out.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yes! 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 Fuck yeah.
Oh,
That felt good.
that was intense.
That felt real nice.